Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the dashboarding feature and a special add-on feature called the Enforcer within DAC6pro. Let's get started. DAC6pro dashboarding helps you keep track of all your arrangements and upcoming deadlines. The Enforcer feature is a paid option that assists you in making sure all required arrangements are added. Let's start with the deadline dashboard. The dashboard's deadline page shows you a table of arrangements with approaching deadlines. It also has a bubble chart where the position of the bubble shows you how close the deadline is. Bubbles on the right mean future deadlines, while those on the left mean past deadlines. The bubbles are also placed vertically based on their status. Higher bubbles means you're closer to completing the task, while lower bubbles mean more work is needed. The Enforcer feature is an optional paid feature that you can discuss with our sales department. It offers some benefits, including automatic check-ins. The Enforcer allows you to automatically check in with your team to monitor progress. The user admin can choose who receives these email check-ins. They simply go to the Enforcer pop-up, which they can access from the menu in the top right corner. There, they select which users will receive the emails. If they want to edit this for a specific user, they can simply search for the name or email right here and change the setting. You also get additional dashboards. The Enforcer gives you access to these dashboards that provide detailed overviews. This includes answers from the questionnaire and 2 extra arrangement overviews. One where you can filter by date and another that can be exported to a CSV. By using the dashboarding and Enforcer features in DAC6pro, you can effectively manage your arrangements, stay on top of deadlines, and enjoy improved visibility and streamlined workflows. And that's it for now. We've covered the dashboards in DAC6pro and the Enforcer feature. If you want any additional information, feel free to head over to our website.